Think tofu is just for vegetarians? Think again. This humble soy product is packed with nutrients that can supercharge your health. Let's uncover the surprising benefits of tofu. Tofu, also known as bean curd, is made by coagulating soy milk and pressing the curds into soft white blocks. It's a staple in many Asian cuisines and is gaining popularity worldwide for its health benefits. Nutritional powerhouse. Tofu is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in iron, calcium, and magnesium, making it an excellent addition to any diet. Health benefits. Regular tofu consumption is linked to improved heart health, stronger bones, and better blood sugar control. Its isoflavones may also help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Quick quiz: which nutrient in tofu is essential for bone health? A. Vitamin C/B, calcium C, omega-3. Drop your answers in the comments below. Environmental impact. Tofu isn't just good for you, it's good for the planet. Producing tofu requires less land and water and emits fewer greenhouse gases compared to animal protein sources. Ready to add tofu to your meals? Start experimenting today and enjoy its health benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.